As you can see, all the cutouts are going to be precise. Little cutout right there for the top mic. Got plenty of lips surrounding the flat display with the Ringke tempered glass screen protector. A couple little cutouts there next to the Ringke brand name there. If you want to sport a lanyard, Ringke has you covered there over at the Ringke website. Got your power button, volume rocker, all on the right hand side. Very nice. Wow, I like that animation actually. That's nice. On the other side, a couple cutouts there for a lanyard. You got these little air bubbles within the inside of the case, all four corners to help with shock absorption. So definitely a great case to see the beauty of my Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Visually is a good looking phone, good looking case. You got magnet for Magsafe, the magnetic ring back there for my Anker magnetic wireless charging pad, so that definitely working, no issues there. You can see the battery icon there, and with the phone in it, see how strong that magnetic ring is. Yeah, that's nice. So definitely working as far as the magnetic response we want, and that it is charging, and plenty of lip surrounding that rectangular camera island there. What I like about the aesthetic design, as far as well, it was like that on my 9 Pro XL as well, is that you're not going to get any of that rocking back and forth. All of that area is nice and centered. All right, everybody. With that, God bless you all. Really appreciate your time. If you're not subscribed, please do that. Hit the notification bell. And you can buy me a coffee. You can do that. If you like the videos, leave a thumbs up. And yeah, man, if you donate some money for a coffee, it's going to be Mickey D's. It's going to be that coffee right there is my favorite. Starbucks is not in there. It's all about Mickey D's. So anyway, okay, I'm out. Peace.